What if your house could think for you? In 2026, building a fully functional AI-powered smart home no longer requires thousands of dollars. With the latest affordable devices, you can achieve voice control, automation, lighting, security, and energy management on a tight budget of under $500. These top 5 products focus on compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, easy setup, and real AI features that make your home smarter, safer, and more convenient without breaking the bank. Number 5. TP-Link Topo Smart Bulbs 4-pack plus Topo Hub. The TP-Link Topo Smart Bulbs 4-pack combined with the Topo Hub create an affordable foundation for smart lighting. These color-changing LED bulbs offer 16 million colors, dimming, scheduling, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. The included hub ensures stable connectivity even without Wi-Fi for basic functions. At around $45–$55 for the 4-pack plus hub, they provide excellent value and can be automated to turn on-off based on time, motion, or routines. Setup takes minutes through the intuitive Topo app. They work seamlessly with other Topo devices for whole home automation. Energy-efficient LEDs help reduce electricity bills. Many users start their smart home journey with these bulbs due to reliability and affordability. The color options allow for mood lighting and fun effects. You can create scenes like movie night or wake up with a single tap. The bulbs support group control so all lights in a room respond together. They integrate perfectly with motion sensors for automatic lighting. The hub strengthens the Zigbee network for better stability across the house. Brightness can be adjusted from 1% to 100% for perfect ambiance. They are compatible with Apple HomeKit via the hub. Long LED lifespan means you rarely need replacements. This starter kit is highly recommended for beginners building their first smart home. Number 4. Echo Pop 2025 model. Smart speaker with Alexa. The Amazon Echo Pop is one of the best entry points into AI voice control. This compact smart speaker delivers clear sound, full Alexa integration, and the ability to control lights, thermostats, plugs, and routines with simple voice commands. Priced at just $39–$40, it supports multi-room audio and can act as a hub for other smart devices. Alexa's AI has improved significantly in 2026, offering better natural language understanding and proactive suggestions. It can set timers, play music, check weather, and manage your entire smart home. The sleek design fits anywhere in your home. Setup is extremely simple via the Alexa app. Many users buy multiple units for different rooms. It transforms your home into a voice-controlled environment instantly. You can ask Alexa to lock doors, adjust temperature, or turn off all lights at bedtime. The sound quality is surprisingly good for its small size. It supports routines that run automatically based on time or triggers. Privacy controls allow you to mute the microphone easily. It works smoothly with both Topo and Alexa devices. The compact spherical design looks modern and unobtrusive. Battery-free operation means it's always ready to respond. This device is the brain of many successful budget smart homes in 2026. Number 3. TP-Link Topo Smart Plug Mini 4-pack. The TP-Link Topo Smart Plug Mini 4-pack allows you to turn any regular appliance into a smart device. These compact plugs support scheduling, timers, energy monitoring, and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Priced around $35–$45 for 4 units, they are perfect for controlling lamps, fans, coffee makers, or TVs. The Topo app lets you create automation routines like turning on lights at sunset or shutting off devices when you leave home. They include overload protection and energy usage reports to help save money. Setup is plug and play with the Topo app. Their small size fits behind furniture without blocking outlets. Reliability and affordability make them a must-have for any budget smart home. You can monitor how much power each device consumes daily. Away mode can automatically turn devices on and off to simulate someone is home. The plugs support group commands for controlling multiple appliances together. They integrate seamlessly with Topo bulbs and sensors. Overload protection adds an important safety layer. The energy monitoring feature helps reduce wasteful usage. Many users control their coffee maker and AC with simple voice commands. These plugs are excellent for seniors or anyone wanting easier control of household appliances. Number 2. Aqara Motion Sensor. Plus, Door Durs Yash Window. Sensor Kit. The Aqara Motion Sensor and Door Window Sensor Kit brings basic security and automation to your home. These Zigbee sensors detect movement and door window openings, triggering lights, notifications, or alarms. Compatible with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit, they work with the included Aqara Hub, or existing hubs. Priced around $45–60 for the kit, they enable smart automations like turning on lights when you enter a room or sending alerts when doors open. Battery life lasts up to 2 years. The sensors are small, discreet, and easy to install with adhesive. They integrate smoothly with other smart devices for advanced routines. You can set lights to turn on automatically when motion is detected at night. Door sensors can notify you if children or pets leave the house. The kit works reliably even during Wi-Fi outages thanks to Zigbee. Setup is straightforward through the Aqara app. Many users expand the system by adding more sensors later. The sensors are very responsive with minimal delay. They help create an intelligent and secure living environment on a budget. This kit is often the second purchase after smart bulbs for most beginners. Number 1. Google Nest Mini, 2nd Gen. Plus TP-Link Topo. Starter Kit Bundle. The ultimate budget AI smart home starter in 2026 is the Google Nest Mini, 2nd Gen, paired with a TP-Link Topo starter kit. Bulbs plus plugs. The Nest Mini offers excellent sound quality, Google Assistant AI for natural voice commands, and seamless control of your entire smart home ecosystem. At around $49 for the Nest Mini Plus, $100 for a Topo starter kit, total under $150. This combination gives you voice control, smart lighting, and smart plugs right out of the box. Google Assistant can handle complex routines, answer questions, play music, and manage your home intelligently. The Nest Mini supports multi-room audio and works beautifully with Topo devices. This powerful yet affordable combo creates a responsive, AI-driven smart home without spending hundreds. It's the smartest way to begin your smart home journey under $500. Google Assistant understands context better than most competitors in 2026. You can say, "Good night," and it turns off lights and locks doors automatically. The bundle is beginner-friendly with excellent step-by-step instructions. Many families use it to control lights for kids' bedrooms easily. The Nest Mini's fabric design looks premium and blends into any room decor. Voice recognition works well, even from across the room. This combination offers the best balance of price, performance, and future expandability. It serves as the perfect foundation for building a larger smart home later.